We chose the Optimas platform because of the different handpieces that were on it. And we have two different Ipl lasers that are used for different skin color types. We also have Morpheus body and face and neck handpieces. It's kind of like the icing on the cake. This really will make your skin look radiant. We also have Vasculase, which is on that device for spider veins, not to be confused with varicose veins, but spider veins. Another big selling point for us was the laser hair removal system.
Dialase is our laser hair removal laser. Usually takes about 4 to 6 treatments, relatively painless. I would say patients can say that they have a little bit of a sunburn feeling and maybe a little bit of redness for about 24 hours after their treatment. Depending on the area, if we were doing underarms, I would say about 5 to 10 minutes, facial hair about the same. For larger areas such as arms or legs, more about 10 to 15 minutes, and we can treat multiple areas in one session. Somebody who really battles with ingrown hairs or irritation from shaving or from waxing would be a great candidate to do laser hair removal because we see less of that irritation at the hair follicle site. Lumecca is our IPL laser. It helps with complexion and bringing out sunspots and sun damage. It does actually help prevent skin cancer and brings those spots out. People who would be a good candidate is anyone who has freckles or history of sun damage or sunspots that they've noticed, or even particularly like age spots. To do a face takes about 30 minutes. We do several passes over the same area in kind of a cross-hatch pattern. The laser reaches different depths in the skin and will actually help bring out those dark spots and sunspots. A patient will notice some darkening of those spots for usually about 48 to 72 hours after their treatment. It is easily covered with makeup. There's pretty limited downtime, but you will see some darkening of those spots for a few days after your treatment, and eventually they will actually just kind of flake off with your cellular turnover of the skin.